If you're thinking about launching a Shopify store this year, but you're stuck on what to actually sell, this video is going to give you so much clarity. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 e-commerce niches that are performing really well right now. I'm also going to show you how I'd actually approach launching one of these stores as well, how I'd validate the idea, set up the store, and start getting traction with content and community, not just paid ads. Let's get into it. Before we get into the niches, let's talk about what makes a niche worth starting. So a solid niche today needs these 3 things: a clear buyer pain or aspiration, evergreen potential, not just a fad, a story or lifestyle you can build content around. Without those, even the best looking products won't stick. So as I go through these, just keep asking yourself, do I care enough about this space to build a full brand around it? So number 1, sustainable and eco living products. People are honestly just done with waste, from compostable swaps to low waste kits. The demand for everyday sustainable items is huge, especially among Gen Z and millennials. You don't need 100 SKUs, you need a story. For example, a brand like Eco Daily Goods focused on easy swaps for everyday living, maybe a refillable glass cleaner, bamboo scrub brushes, even zero waste starter kits. What works here is the narrative. Instead of green products, you sell living with intention. You can set up a lightweight Shopify store or use a builder like StoreBuild AI to get started super quickly. I'm going to show you how to get that set up after we've gone through all of the niches. Number 2 is home wellness and recovery kits. Think beyond gym gear. What's rising now is the at-home ritual economy. Foam rollers, acupressure mats, infrared wraps, sleep tea sets. People want to feel good at home and create a cozy, humble abode. A store like Wellness at Home could focus on curating recovery kits that look good and feel intentional, like sleep support, post-workout tools, calming self-care. This niche naturally lends itself to content, morning routines, product walkthroughs, Sunday reset style videos. Number 3 is pet accessories with purpose. The pet market is still booming and people want more than just chew toys. They're looking for style, sustainability, and personalization. Instead of a generic pet store image, a curated brand like Paws and Purpose, you could offer eco-friendly toys, travel bowls, pet journals, or even custom tags. The emotional hook here is love. So content like making my dog's travel kit or DIY photo shoot for your pet is perfect for TikTok or Reels. And affiliate tools like Share a Sale can help you test new trends like grooming kits or nutrition products without taking on any inventory. If you want to check out Share a Sale, I've left that link down in the description below for you. Number 4 is smart desk and remote work tools. The remote work trend isn't going away. What's growing now is the workspace aesthetic and productivity optimization. You're not just selling tools, you're helping people feel good working from home. Ideas like sleek desktop organizers, blue light glasses, adjustable laptop risers, minimalist cable management. A brand like Desk Pro Shop could curate a workspace upgrade kit and pair it with weekly content like 3 desk hacks to stop feeling drained by 3 p.m. And number 5 is personalized gifts and custom touches. The custom market is huge for a reason. People crave meaning, whether it's an engraved necklace, a custom journal, or a framed quote with someone's name on it. Buyers are willing to pay more for personalization. This niche wins when it's tied to occasions like Mother's Day, graduations, weddings, birthdays, etc. You can launch with just a few customizable SKUs and build from there. Affiliate platforms, again like Share a Sale, also offer seasonal gift items you can test alongside your main products. Okay. Now that you've got your niche idea in hand, let's talk about how to actually bring your store to life without getting overwhelmed. This part is where a lot of people freeze. You've got the vision, but the tech feels confusing and you're not sure what to do first. So I want to break down in the exact order that I would do it if I were starting from scratch today. Each of these steps builds on the last, and just so you know, you don't need to be perfect or fast. You just need to take the first step forward with intention. So step number 1 is you want to build your store. You want to get your storefront up and running. You have 2 main options, but I'm going to tell you a shortcut and what I would recommend. So you can start building with Shopify, which is the go-to e-commerce platform that gives you full control over your site, payments, and product pages and apps. It's very robust and scalable. But if you don't want to start from scratch, what I would recommend doing is using StoreBuild AI. It literally makes a website in 0.2 seconds. It's so fast. So I wanted to quickly just show you how to do that. If you want to get started and follow along, use our exclusive link down below. Also, the best part about StoreBuild is that it's completely free. You do need to buy a Shopify subscription, but actually building your store is free with StoreBuild AI, which is so cool. So maybe we want to go with the pet niche. So what we're going to do is click on pets. We'll click build my free store. We'll go ahead and type in your name, your email, and a phone number. Okay, again, we'll click pets. We can go ahead and pick a color that aligns with our niche. We want to go with red. Now we can go ahead and pick a banner. I like the one that's on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click claim my store now. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and create our Shopify account. Go ahead and enter in a password. So now you can get access to a free trial and just skip this, but if you want to start for free for the first 3 days and then get signed up for the first 3 months for just $1 per month, you can go ahead and do that. So once you type in your credit card information, you can go ahead and select a plan. So I'm not going to go in too much depth on here. You can kind of click and look yourself, but they've got a basic, a grow, and an advanced. And again, it's $1 for the first 3 months, and then it ups from there. The card rates as the plan goes up decreases. You get a little bit more staff accounts as it increases as well. You can always start with the basic plan and then go from there. So we're just going to stick with that. And then we'll go ahead and add that later, but you can add in your business details. It's also going to ask you a couple questions, but we're going to skip this for now. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and copy this right here and come back to our StoreBuild page. We're going to go ahead and click save. Next, we'll want to add winning products. So we do have to install ZenDrop, which again is a free add-on. We'll click install. Now we'll go ahead and continue. I just love how easy to use this is and easy to follow. It's so simple. They really walk you through step by step. Okay, we'll click go live. Okay, so now you can see you've got your custom store already built. So then you'll just come in here and edit anything else that you need to. It really just gives you such a cheat code and kind of skipping all the steps of having to start from scratch. So again, if you want to check out StoreBuild AI, go ahead and use our exclusive link down below. And again, StoreBuild is free. You just have to pay for Shopify once the trial is up. Okay, so step number 2 is setting up your email marketing early, even before you launch. So again, next up is email. Yes, before you have traffic. Yes, before you have customers. Email is your conversion engine. Even if you're just starting with a waitlist or a pre-launch discount, this builds momentum from day one. I highly recommend using Beehive. There's a ton of different options out there, but it's really simple to use. It's built for creators and brands and grows with you as your list expands. If you want to get started with Beehive, they have a free trial you can check out. And if you use our code, you can save some money, which is great. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what it looks like because it's really simple and easy to use. Your dashboard's over here, so you can see your active subscribers, open rate, click-through rate, your posts right here, your audience, so your subscribers, automations, segments, stuff like that. You actually can monetize on here too, which is something interesting that most newsletters don't have. They do have a website builder as well, but obviously if you're going to use StoreBuild, that's not necessary. But again, it's just super easy to use. And they have a bunch of different templates that you can use, which is also really cool. Sending an email newsletter every week, just something small like tips, product sneak peeks, or value content around your niche. This just keeps you top of mind while you're still building. Step number 3 is to layer in affiliate products. So this is optional, but a great way to, again, add some extra income. So let's just say you don't want to manage a ton of inventory right away, or maybe your margins are feeling tight. This is where affiliate partnerships come in. You can use tools, again, like Share a Sale, because it lets you add products or services that fit your niche without holding any stock. You earn a commission on each sale, and it's just a great way to expand your catalog or test interest before fully committing. For example, if you're in a pet niche, like we talked about, you could promote a pet food brand alongside your toys. If you're in home wellness, you could link to premium yoga mats or supplements. Step number 4 is to create organic content that builds trust. Before you touch a single platform, focus on creating content. Why? Because content builds trust, interest, and data without spending money. You can start on TikTok, so short, snackable, behind the scenes videos. Or Instagram Reels, you could do product demos, before and after content. Even Pinterest is so great and really underrated. You can do mood boards, tutorials, gift guides. I would use your face if you feel comfortable. If not, focus on storytelling through visuals, morning routines, product highlights, packaging processes. You'll learn fast what people respond to before you ever spend on ads. Step number 5 is to test paid traffic. So this is only when you're ready. Once you have a few pieces of content that perform well and a functioning store, you can start playing with TikTok ads. These are great for fast traffic and low CPMs, but only if your messaging is dialed in. You can start small, $10 to $20 a day max, test one product, use UGC style content, short clips, and show your product in use or solve a problem quickly. You definitely want to track what clicks, then reinvest. If you want to get started with TikTok ads, I've also got a link down below that you can check out. As a reminder, you don't need to do all of this in one day. Here's how I'd layer it out week by week if you're short on time or doing this on the side. Week number 1, pick your niche and use StoreBuild AI or Shopify to create a basic store. Week number 2 is upload 3 to 5 products, write product descriptions, and connect your domain. Week 3 could be set up Beehive, create a waitlist or discount form, and send your first email. Week number 4 could be posting 3 to 4 organic content pieces on TikTok or Instagram. Week number 5 could be join share a sale and add affiliate products, then slowly test paid traffic. You're going to learn as you go, but that's the game. Just a couple of things that I would watch out to. I just wanted to share some things that I would avoid. So one-hit wonder products, trend chasers with no longevity, no emotional hook. If people don't feel anything, they're not going to buy. Niches you don't care about. If you wouldn't talk about it every day, don't sell it. Start with something you could actually create content around and grow into it. Okay, lastly is the 30-day launch path if I were starting from scratch today. First, pick one of the 5 niches above. Build a basic Shopify store using StoreBuild, upload 3 to 5 products and brand the experience, start a Beehive email list with a lead magnet or launch discount, share lifestyle content for 2 weeks on TikTok and Instagram, test low budget ads if you see traction, then layer in affiliate products for upsells or email content. Keep showing up for 30 days. Most people never start because they overcomplicate it. The data, tools, and niches are here. You just have to pick and go. So if you've been overthinking your Shopify niche, I hope this gave you so much clarity. I'd love to hear in the comments which niche speaks to you, or drop a question or anything else that you'd love to connect with us on. All the tools I mentioned to make your life so much easier in this process are all linked down below. They've got discounts, free trials, and stuff like that if you want to check them out. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build scalable side hustles with e-commerce, automation, and creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And again, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.